How to deny Facebook access to photos. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can deny Facebook access to your phone gallery. So watch this video till the end and you will find out. So all you need to do is to go to the settings on your device. Once you go to the settings, you need to scroll down where you will find privacy and security. So once you tap on privacy and security, you will find the photos option here. So once you find the photos option, all you need to do is to scroll a bit where you will find Facebook. So you need to tap on Facebook, and as you can see, Facebook have full access. Facebook have full access to the videos and photos on my device. So if I want to limit it, I will just tap on the limit option. So it will limit the access. And then if you don't want to give any access at all, you can choose none. So on this way, you will deny Facebook access to your photos and your videos. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.